Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm unboxing the Neorah 2023 Petite Planner. I had a hard time choosing the color of this planner as it has numerous options available on their website. This one is the lavender color. The planner comes with a user guide which is really helpful, especially if you're using a planner for the first time or there are some elements that might be new for you. It explains how to use each type of page present in this planner. I like how compact this planner is and you can carry it with you anywhere. And since the planner has to be used for the entire year, it's important to buy one with a good hardbound cover which will retain its look for a long time. This one is made of leatherette, which gives the planner a premium look. So let's dive in and check it out. The cover page has a lot of space to personalize the planner, or you could leave it blank if that's what you prefer. Important contacts and dates can be stored right at the front. These two pages are for the vision of the year, and you can choose to be as creative as you want. Then you have the monthly spread where the entire month can be viewed at one go. Here you can store important goals, things to do, there's a health tracker and much more. In each month, there's a lot of space to write down your notes, what's important to you, your priorities, affirmations, what you've accomplished, what you're grateful for, etc. And there's space for each day of the month in this section. This is a really good planner to be productive. There is absolutely no clutter here. It's very clean and easy to use. And even the pages are of really good quality. They're very thick and smooth. The good part about this planner is that all the trackers are towards the end of the planner, which makes it very easy to access. You can track your income and expenses for each of the months. There's more space here to store your contacts. And if you're like me and forget your passwords often, you can even store your username and passwords. With so many things that we are doing each day, we often forget to track our passions, and that's why I love how we have a separate section to track our passions here. There's also a separate section to track your habits, one of the circles for each of the months. Lots and lots of pages to take notes as well. And finally, it comes with these two really pretty bookmarks. If you want to start planning, I would really recommend this no nonsense planner. It's really going to help you be more productive in your day. You can buy this planner from the link in the description. Do follow and subscribe to watch me plan with this planner. Thanks for watching the video.